I had the worst week ever, but then enough about me and my life. Let's go to crypto because this channel is all about crypto. Welcome, you guys, and to my world of cryptocurrency, where crypto is simplified. And in today's video, I'm just going to give you news on what's happening with crypto market. And as you know, the past 7 days has been hell, especially when it comes to cryptocurrencies or Bitcoin and other alternative coins. They've been dropping so low that even yesterday, I even thought maybe I should just give up on this business and give up on trying to create my wealth on cryptocurrency because it was dropping so low that I thought it would never recover. So let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is now slowly recovering and it is now sitting at $38,000 and it is growing by 15.4%. But then before even looking at Bitcoin, let's just look at the whole general. As you can see there, 7-day, when you see some of these coins are slowly recovering, but then it's been bad in the last 7 days. As you can see, it's all red. And then when you look at also the whole crypto market cap, also as well is starting to pick up. And when you look at Bitcoin as well, it is doing the same thing. And when I look at my screen, and actually I use crypto.com and Binance, when I looked at Ethereum yesterday, it is actually sitting around 1,930, and that's when I actually went in and bought myself some Ethereums because I thought this is the opportunity. Either I do it now or I will never do it. So I got myself some crypto and I'm sure I'll be enjoying the profits from this because I know Ethereum is going to grow and grow so fast. And then let's look at other coins that are also growing. Binance, I know Binance, it was at some point around 60. So even though these coins are starting to pick up, but then you must just remember that these coins were actually very high at some point. We can try to recover, but you know the graph when it comes to the trading view, when you look at it, you would see that it can go up, but then it's not safe when it goes and shoot up only and it doesn't come down. So everything that goes up must come down. So that's a stable coin growth. When you look at the all-time high, it was actually 686 around May 10. So 15 days ago, this coin was actually $686. And then now look at the coin now, it's actually sitting at around 300 and almost half of what this coin used to be. And this is my favorite coin as well, one of my favorite coins as well. And with a market cap of 52 billion, and we can see that as well is trading around 5 billion. So let's look at the trading view so I can show you, especially for Bitcoin, because it is the major one. I want to show you the Bitcoin one. So when you go to a trading view for Bitcoin, you would see that the coin actually went down the last 7 days. And then when you look at this, you can even see the days when it actually went really low. I mean, looking at this candlesticks, you would see that we weren't doing well. And I mean, it went down to 31 at some point, 31,902, which was very low for something that with an all-time high of more than 64. I mean, 64,000. I mean, looking at this and now around 31, which is almost by half, it went down. And now remember, Bitcoin actually controls all these other alternative coins because it is one of the biggest coins. So whatever happens to Bitcoin, it affects all the other coins. Let's look at Dogecoin as well, people's favorite. And when you look at it, it is also starting to pick up also, but then yesterday as well, when I bought for my kids, it was around 2 cents somewhere there. So it was actually 2.9 in these numbers. And then I actually went in and just bought for my kids because they always wanted Dogecoin. And then now when you look at also on Dogecoin, as you can see, it also dropped at around 31%. So go to what Elon Musk said about Dogecoin. So he actually ran a survey to ask people whether they want to accept Doge, to want Tesla to accept Doge. And then 78% of those people also said yes. they actually want Tesla to accept toys. So this is huge, guys, because if you were to implement this and people can buy these cars, these Teslas using Dogecoin, the value of Dogecoin will go super high. And while the feud was happening with cryptocurrency, Elon Musk was asked if he's going to sell his Dogecoin because we suspect that Tesla actually sold some of their Bitcoin. And he said, I won't sell Dogecoin. Tesla billionaire and Elon Musk revealed where he stands in the true battle between the dollar and the crypto. So, guys, we know that there is some hope. There is hope for Dogecoin. And most of the millionaires are actually buying up Dogecoin. They prefer Dogecoin. They don't want Bitcoin. And yeah, so I think there's just true hope when it comes to Doge. I think we need to start loading Dogecoin because even if it doesn't boom this year, it will boom at some point next year or 2023. And remember, this is a long investment. So whenever you invest or you put your money, you need to remember that you need to hold for a long period. Polkadot and Uniswap, guys, as you know, Polkadot and Uniswap, it's also one of my favorite. They actually went down to $24 and also $22. I mean, when you look at Polkadot, guys, this Polkadot actually was around 40, I think sometime early last week, but now it is actually down. So let's look at the all-time high, 49. Can you see it went to $49? But now sitting at, so we will recover, but then I don't think the recovery will get us to that point where we recover in a right way, because I do always tell people that you need to look at this when you look at a cryptocurrency. You need to have a stable graph that goes up, but then now this got disturbed because of what happened the past few days. So, but we are starting to recover a bit, but then it really did hit us low. Let's look at the reasons why these coins actually went down. So it all started with a tweet from Elon Musk saying he's not going to allow Tesla to continue selling in Bitcoin, because remember, we could now buy Tesla using Bitcoin. But then and his reason was, and this tweet was actually May 13, and his tweet was actually about when you mine Bitcoin, they actually use a lot of energy. And as you know, Elon Musk and Tesla, they're all about ecosystem and the energy and also the environmental factors. So it goes against his brand. And he's now not the favorite man on Twitter, because remember, this guy would actually buy Bitcoin on 1.4 billion, and the Bitcoin price will go up. And now because of this tweet and also other tweets that were posted. And let's look at another one. When you look at Ethereum, there's actually more news coming for Ethereum. Let's look at Ethereum. When you look at its technical analysis, it is now picking very well. I mean, around 2,608. And remember, when I checked yesterday around 9 or 10, this is South African time, this was around 1,900 and something. So it was also low. But then I think Ethereum is a stable coin. And whatever happens on Bitcoin, it does affect it, but it also has its power. I think it has gained its position around the community, around the economy. So I think I'm starting to trust Ethereum. So look, when you look at the 24 hours chart, you will see that it's been going up very well. But then when you look at 7 days, you would see that it was going down, and the lowest, it was around 1,895. I actually bought it when it was around 1,900 and something. So around here, I wish I bought it here. So now it is starting to pick up, and we are seeing good results. And let's look at what people are saying about the Ethereum. So Steve Wozniak, he is one of the co-founders of Apple, and he's saying good things about Ethereum. He said, Ethereum interests me because it can do things and because it's a platform. So Steve was speaking at the We Are Developers Conference. The technical guru further added that the Ethereum platform was just like his former company, Apple. And in the long term, it has the potential to become an influential as his company became. So those are good news that we look for, because remember, any tweet, any publicity of this coin is actually good for these coins to grow. And then let's look at fear and greed index. And you can see when it comes to cryptocurrency, the fear and greed index now is sitting at around 35, going to extreme play. We are scared. But remember, when it comes to these investment stocks or crypto, you need to really be stable, because remember what Warren Buffett said, that when there's blood on the street, that's when you buy. And then when people are happy, that's when you sell, because then you know the price is already up and you shouldn't be greedy and just sell. So I used what Warren Buffett said and decided to buy for my kids. I actually bought Dogecoin for them, and also bought SafeMoon, because those coins are still cheap. So I actually got them 1 million Safe coins and also 50 Dogecoins. And now they can proudly say they have cryptocurrency. And I know my son has been going around telling people about Dogecoin, and so, which is a good thing. And I want that for them. I want them to grow up knowing these things. And all these coins, like especially the 1 million Safe coin, if that coin goes up, I mean, my kids are set for the future. So that's what I'm planning to do for them. And then let's look at the crypto crash. And on Wednesday, a broad crypto crash wiped out about 1 trillion in market value. A staggering drop from 2.5 trillion just a week ago. Bitcoin, which accounts for more than 40% of the global crypto market. Remember when I said Bitcoin controls everything. So if Bitcoin drops, then all the other cryptocurrencies will actually drop. By Friday, Bitcoin has rebounded slightly to around 37, bruised by continuous regulation concerns. Guys, you can see as well all the money that was lost. And I mean, there's so many YouTubers, especially those with portfolios that are looking good. Some said they lost $300,000. Some said they lost 8 million. But then that's why they say this market is volatile. And that's why they say you shouldn't invest what you cannot afford to lose. I mean, talking about that, you're just reminding me to actually do the disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor, and you need to do your research before buying any coins. So I just share what I'm learning as well, and hopefully you would also learn. And coming tomorrow is a video on stocks, how to buy stocks. So I'll be talking more about that. And another major reason why the crash happened is because China has banned financial institutions and payment companies from providing services related to cryptocurrencies transaction, and warn investors against speculative crypto. So guys, China has already banned cryptocurrency since 2019. Another news on China is China effort to restrain cryptocurrency trading and mining are adding to the wide moves in Bitcoin and other markets. Already down hard from records set this high. Bitcoin and other digital currencies sold off sharply last week after China authorities renewed pressure on the country banks and payment companies to cap cryptocurrency-related transactions. So guys, they're also reducing Bitcoin mining and trading, so which can also affect. And I see China saying they want nothing to do with Bitcoin because it's not regulated. But then we can be hopeful because other companies are coming on board. We just need to keep our hope high. That's it, guys, for today. I hope you do now know what's happening with this market crash. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for your support. I'm actually in the process of being monetized. There was just some hiccup there and there with YouTube. But hopefully soon I'll be monetized. Thank you so much for your support.